Fine. So any DAX function, what is the learning procedure? So already told, for example, sum in Power BI. First of all, we need to go to the official document and we need to check the definition of the DAX function and what is the syntax of the DAX function and what is the return type and what is the remarks. Okay, then we can understand easily. For every DAX function we have some remarks, right? Now I am taking simple data set to explain this scenario. Taking employee data set. Employee table I am taking. Just load it. Okay, fine. Now come here. Department number is there. So here numbers, wherever the numbers we can easily sum. So whenever you load tables into the Power BI desktop, what will happens if the table contain any numbers? For example, this department number contains numbers and commission is contains numbers and MGR is contains numbers. Okay, salary also contains numbers, right? So whichever the column contains numbers, automatically Power BI will do the sum. This is the summation symbol. Then what is the purpose of creating sum function? Question mark, right? Yes. So for example, if I click here and if I click, so I will show you. See, you say I am selected salary column, right? See here, some summarization. Under the summarization, don't summarize, sum, average, minimum, maximum, count, whatever you want. For example, you want to put average, average will come. So minimum, put minimum will come. Don't summarize, it will remove the sum. Okay, so the difference is, so if you create a measure, you can reuse that measure across the report. But whatever Power BI doing here, automatically summation. So this is not possible to reuse. So that is the reason why we'll create a measures. Okay. And what is calculated column? If you want to see the information physically, then you need to create a calculated column, or you just create a measure and you drag into the report view, you will get that. Okay, so now some function we can apply here and here and here. Okay, 4 columns are there. This is also employee number, this is also number, this is also column is there. So 1 2 3 4 5. So see this, so all numbers are there, so we can sum. Okay, so what is the syntax? Sum of column, already we know. Add all numbers in a column. Okay, parameter, what we can pass in the column? The column that contains the numbers to sum. Return value, a decimal number. Remarks, if you want to filter the row, filter the values that you are summing, you can use sumX function and specify expression to sum over. That means, so that is fine. For example, I want to create a total sales amount, so you can take a measure, either I can take a calculated column. Now I am taking measure total salary equal to sum of salary, employee of salary. Measure won't create extra column, So this is the measure. Come here. What is the value? Come here. If you want to see the number as it is, then what is the option? I told you. Come here. Data labels. Display units. Make it none. You can see the exact number. Okay. Okay, fine. For example, this is the total salary. This is fine, but I want to see only I want to see only department 20 salary. So how much department 20 is paying the salary, or you want to see some here manager salary. So here managers are there, right? So this is the department 20 salary, correct? So I want only department 20 total salary. Okay, that is I want. And I want to see managers total salary. Total we can do, average we can do, minimum we can do. And for example, minimum means how we can understood. So minimum salary in managers, who is getting less salary? In managers, who is getting maximum salary? In managers, what is the average salary? So in managers, count means how many people are getting salary. Okay, so those things we can do it. Okay, so very simple, I will show you now. See, sum x, if you want to do filtering, you cannot apply. So I will do one thing. I will create one calculated column also, just for understanding purpose. Of salary, for salary column I want to apply sum. So 20275 is the total salary. Okay, total employee salary, but I want only manager salary. So then go to the job and select manager. See, manager. One manager, it doesn't contain any salary. From every department, one manager is there. Department 10, department 20, department 30. So this is the highest salary getting manager. This manager getting the minimum salary. This manager doesn't contain any salary. Okay, fine. So for example, if you want to achieve this by using sum x function, how to do this? So wherever x, not only sum x. So for example, I will tell you sum x, what it will do, it will give the total only. But why x means, I will tell you, it will work row by row. Returns the sum of an expression evaluated each row in a table. Now what we did, column wise we applied sum. In this column we applied the sum and we get the total sum value. Okay, so but what is row by row? Row by row means this into this. This is, you can do multiply, you can do plus, you can do minus, or something, whatever you want you can do it. Okay, for example, I will tell you one scenario. I will tell you one simple thing. What is that? I think it is there in recent. Yeah, I'm taking product table. Product, just load it. Okay, now we have product table. Come here. For example, see here quantity is there and price is there. So I want to do first of all quantity into price. So row by row. Okay, I don't want to total quantity. So I don't want to total price. So if you want to do total price, then sum of will write the price. If you want to give total quantity, sum of the quantity, right? But if you want to do sales amount, you want to do row by row. First of all, you want to work with the row by row. Row by row means quantity into price, quantity into price, and quantity into price. Then I want to sum. Okay, then what is the scenario? First we need to work row by row, right? So sum x, what it will do, it will work row by row. Okay, see, I'm checking new column. So sales amount or total sales, that is also fine because we are applying sum x. So wherever x, not only sum x, table comma expression, we have similar kind of iterator functions. This is called iterating functions. So sum x, see min x, Power BI, and max x, wherever x, and count x, count ax also is there, same thing, and min x, max x, count x. So that's it. So wherever x, see if you observe here, so wherever it min x, what it will do, it will give the minimum value from the table, and it will work row by row. And what is the syntax? Table comma expression. So come to max x, what is the syntax? Table comma expression. Wherever x, these are called iterator functions. So wherever x, each row it will be work. Okay, it will return the maximum value from the table. So it will return the min x also will give the minimum value from the table. Okay, it will work simply in the simple words. Sum x will work at the column level, and sum will work at the column level, and sum x will work at the table level. This also min x, wherever x, it will work table comma expression, table level. We can do the filtering also. Okay, first let me explain what is row by row. Okay, the first point I want to clear you, each row in a table, right? So what is the returns? The sum of an expression evaluated for each row in a table. That means sum x, what is the table? My table name is product, comma, what is your expression? My expression is here in the product table, quantity is there and price is there. I want to multiply quantity into price. If you multiply quantity into price, then you will get the sales, right? Enter. So 55,000 total sales is 55,000. Okay, so this is the uh, total sales. Okay, for example, if you want to achieve this value by using sum, it is not possible, because if you have a separate column, sales column, then it is possible. Then for example, if we have quantity into price, if you have this column, what it will do? 10 into 100 how much? 1000. 20 into 200 how much? 4000, like this. So if we have this column, then we can apply the sum, correct? So if you apply the sum, what is the result? See, same result. So by using sum x, we are directly doing that. Now see, total sales amount equal to sum of TO TL, total. See, 55,000 is coming or not? So what it is doing? First row by row it is working. Row by row it is working. Then it is doing the sum x. Then it will doing the sum. Directly we are using sum x. Correct? So in this way, wherever x, it will work row by row. Okay? Not only into, whatever you want you can keep. Plus, minus, whatever you want to divide. Anything you can keep. That is up to you. Fine. And come to the employee data set. Now, so table comma expression. So whatever you want, we can write it expression. And they are giving some examples. before going to show these examples, I want to see some examples. Okay, we can use filter function. FILTR, filter is a function which is going to help to filter the records in a table. So for filter syntax is table comma filter. This is the table name, fact internet sales. So filter is, this is the filter, that's it. So now here, so what is my scenario? Now I want to filter first of all only manager's record. Then I want to know what is the total salary. Okay. So come here, right click, new column. I'm creating column because we can easily see the information. This is the total salary, right? I want to see only manager's total salary. Manager's salary. Okay, only managers. Then what is the formula? Sum x, and first filter the records. Filter, first we are doing filtering. In filtering table, which table? Employee table. What is your filter? My filter job is equal to manager. Job is equal to, what is the column name? This is the job column. In employee table, job column is there. Job column is equal to manager. Job column equal to manager, comma, sorry. So whenever text, this is a text, right? Manager, this is the text, right? So that's the reason why we always keep in the double quotes. It's a string, right? That's the reason why we mention in the double quotes. Okay, then comma. So now what we are doing here, only recording one, what we are doing, only we are filtering managers record. Okay, managers record we are filtering. Now what we need to give the expression, this is for sum x also, what is the formula? Table comma expression, right? Table name already we mentioned in the filter, that's it, fine. And what is the expression? Now mention sal column, you just mention the sal column. Salary is the right salary. Now what it will do is, see the magic. So it records manager's records, it will filter and it will do the total salary. Then it will do the sum. What it will do exactly means, you see, only it filters managers. It filters managers, then it will do the sum. If you do the sum, we will get the same result. That's it. Now, so in this way we can filter the records and we can apply the sum x formula. Okay, so same, in the same way, so for example in the managers who is getting less salary, you want to identify, then what is the formula? We have new column, managers minimum salary equal to sum x. What is the first, what we need to do? Sorry, not sum x, min x. Min x will give the minimum value, then filter. And what we can do, what is your table name? My table name is employee, and expression, filter expression. What is the what basis you want to do? Based on job, employee job equal to manager, comma, this is not a case sensitive, comma, salary column. So what we are telling here, please do, please give the minimum salary amount when employee job is equal to manager. 2850 is the minimum salary. Now go here, where is the manager? Giving correct output. 2850 is the minimum salary, correct? This is the least salary, right? So this guy Blake is getting less salary. or you want to know manager's maximum salary. Who is getting maximum salary in managers? Equal to max x. Maximum, if you want to know, max x, correct? Max x row by row it will work, right? That's a, it will filter the records also. But by using max we cannot filter. By using sum we cannot filter. By using min we cannot filter. That's the reason why iterator functions are there. So okay, then you filter. Which table? Employee table. What is your filter? My filter is job equal to string manager and close the bracket, comma, salary. Enter. So 2975 is the maximum salary in the managers category. Okay. So in this, for example, count X also will do. Why you have to use that new column? Don't worry, I will explain once again those all concepts. So how many managers getting salary? I want to know. We have managers, 4 members. I think 1, 2, 3. 3 managers we have, but one manager is not getting salary. That I want to achieve. Managers salary count equal to count x filter employee. What is your filter? My filter job is equal to employee job equal to manager. Then put the salary column. That's it, man. Give the count. So I have to remove this one. Okay, fine. See here. So how many managers getting salary? Only 2 managers are getting salary. Check, cross check. Three managers are there, only getting 2 managers salary. It is returning the value. That's it. So in this way we can use the DAX functions. First thing, wherever x, it will work row by row. Okay. First point, next point, already it showed row by row. And next point, wherever x, we can declare the filter function, filter filter function we can write. So that is what we do. Okay, fine. As of now, it's fine, or we need to continue the class. What's your opinion?
Fine, sir.
Fine, huh?
Fine, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll catch. Okay. Can we
Yes,
create one guy? Jyoti is asking, hi sir, can we create a calculated row instead of column? No. It's not possible. Calculator row we don't create. Okay. So we don't, how it is not created instead of row, calculator row. So your question is, I got it. So if you want to add few more records in that table, we'll go for append. There is a column. there is a concept of append and merge. Okay, so append and merge will do. So already I told you, uh, previous classes, right, what is append, what is merge and all. So that's what we do.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. And apart from this, anything?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell. If you conduct same class that just you conducted, repeat in the evening. I'm not getting. If you conduct same class that you just conducted, okay, repeat in evening. Ramesh, can you speak loudly? You want me to repeat this? Hello? What is your question actually? So whatever I conducted now, okay, that's fine. And repeat in the evening. What is this? Hello? Okay, sorry, Ramesh, I couldn't hear you. Any other questions?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Damadara.
No, sir. Sai funny.
Yeah, tell me, Sai.
Uh, we are using SumX function for row level and some function for column. Correct, sir?
Yes, yes.
Uh,
Some, wherever some, average, all those things will apply only column level.
okay, fine, sir. For example, in SumX we have used that function, right, sir? That we can use in sum. It won't return us, sir.
It won't return, it won't taken. So what is the syntax that we need to understand, right? Syntax is table comma expression, right? Some x,
Yes, yes, sir.
wherever x. Yeah, that's the reason I told you all once. So this is the technique you need to remember, keep in your mind. You don't need to confuse. Everything is same. So some x, min x, max x, wherever x, everything
Okay,
is okay.
okay, sir.
So very simple. So don't need to. So that's the reason why I added all at once. So very
Huh.
simple. Now tomorrow we'll deep dive once again. Okay.
And one more doubt, sir. For example,
Hmm.
uh, I will do all these operations in SQL Server. For
Mm-hmm.
example,
Hmm.
can I take the data into Power BI?
Yeah, why can't?
Okay.
That is up to you.
Then we can use import and direct query options, right, sir? In
Yeah,
that,
important directory. Yeah.
we need to take. I need to take that SP, sir. SP alone, not table. That is fine, huh?
You want to
For
see,
example,
you want to, yeah, you want to do some operations in SQL Server and you want to get data into the your Power BI desktop. That is it fine? You are asking.
no, sir. Actually, what my doubt is, for
Mm.
example, I have 4 to 5 master tables, and I will take that tables data into. I will
Mm.
put into one temp table.
Mm-hmm.
These all operations are written in one stored procedure.
Okay, fine.
In Power BI, can I
Mm.
call that stored procedure?
Yeah, why can't?
In import query option only, we have to do na, sir.
Import query. Yeah, in import only now.
Sir, if possible, you can show once na how to call stored procedure in Power BI desktop.
So same thing. So what is the syntax? So what is the syntax of storage procedure? Simple man. Procedure. How to
Mm,
execute? Very simple. This is a storage procedure, right? First,
correct, sir.
what you do? Create procedure name. Then syntax as SQL statement. Whatever you are taking the SQL statement frequently, you are whatever you are getting that you will mention. Okay. Then very
Okay,
simple. Exec or execute. You can write execute. Okay.
okay,
Anything.
mm,
Procedure name. That's it.
okay.
That's it.
Actually, actually in Jasper reports, we will
Mm.
call procedure like exec procedure name, and we have to pass that input parameters. In Power BI
Mhm.
desktop also, we need to pass that input parameters or not. That is my doubt, sir.
I don't think so. Input parameters. So yeah, we have input and output parameters. We'll see what is the storage procedure with one parameter. Yeah, same thing. We need to pass. So they see here. This is the storage procedure with one parameter, right?
Yes, correct, sir.
Hmm. So if you pass, if you prepare that code, na, so select a star from the customers where city is equal to city. Only you are passing one parameter here. Correct.
Yes, correct, correct.
So same parameter you need to execute here, whatever you want to. So he taken London, only he wants London. He taken London
Mm,
from
yeah.
exe or execute this one.
Mm.
That's it.
This one, Power BI desktop also, I need to pass that
Yeah,
input
yeah,
parameters, correct.
you need when while you getting data, there is an advanced options, right? I
Mm,
showed you
correct,
now
sir.
select star from fact internet set.
Yeah,
Same,
advanced option. Yes, correct,
same
sir.
option you copy paste it. That's it.
Okay, that one I will try, sir. If any doubts, I will ask you, sir.
Yeah, yeah, no worries.